For this next section of trigonometric equation notes, we are going to be solving equations with multiple angles. So here are two examples of equations that include multiple angles. The first one we have here is tangent 3x equals 1. And notice here how this angle is a multiple of 3. And then we also have sine x over 2 equals square root of 3 over 2. And notice how for this one, it is a multiple of 1/2. We are going to solve each equation for x between 0 and 2 pi. And notice how x is greater than or equal to 0, but it's less than 2 pi, so we're not going to include 2 pi in that domain. The period of the function plays an important role in ensuring we don't leave out any of our solutions. Usually tangent is just a period of pi, but since we're looking for multiple angles and multiples of tangents, we're going to play it on the safe side and include our solutions from 0 to 2 pi.